in Nigeria. And there's problem of pests and diseases. The country is not free from, in some areas, not free from pests and diseases. And these affect the crops, affect the plants, they affect the animals, leading to low production or low yield. And there's poor agricultural extension or education in the country. Now, how can we take care of these problems we have identified that are facing agriculture in Nigeria? Now, the government should make loans available to farmers, and these loans should be easily accessed such that the many bottlenecks involved in accessing these loans should be taken care of, so that these people can get these loans and go on with their agricultural practices. Now, roads also should be constructed to link the rural areas up with the urban areas, because most of these agricultural activities are usually done in the remote or rural areas. Storage facilities and processing facilities should also be provided for farmers, and people should be enlightened as per the importance of agriculture in order for their mentality or their mindset to be changed, to begin to look at agriculture as one sustainable means, one veritable means for sustaining the economy of this country. Now, farmers should also be trained to accept and to make use of modern facilities and modern farming methods. Now, some areas where we have cash crops in Nigeria include, now for instance, the cocoa. We have cocoa in Akure, in Ikom, in Cross River State, in Abeokuta, in Ogun State, and in Ibadan, here in Oyo State. Kola is found in Akure, Ibadan, and Abeokuta, many other places as well. Rubber is also found in Sapele, Benin City, and Calabar. Oil palm, we can have them in Aba, in Abia State, Owerri of Imo State, and Akwa Ibom. Now, groundnut also, we have groundnut in Kano, in Kaduna and Katsina. Cotton in Zaria, Kaduna and Kano, and Benesit in Makurdi of Benue State. Now, let's take this question. It says, draw an outline map of Nigeria, and on the map, show and name one area for oil palm, one area for cotton, and one area for cocoa cultivation. And the last question says, state 5 importance of agriculture. Question 1 says, draw an outline map of Nigeria, and on it show and name one area for oil palm, cotton, and cocoa cultivation. So, an outline map of Nigeria showing the various demanded cash crops and their locations. And this is Lake Chad. And the first crop there is oil palm. And in Nigeria, oil palm can be, or is cultivated in Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom State in Nigeria is located somewhere here in the map. We use this to represent oil palm. Akwa Ibom State. And cotton is cultivated in Kano. Kano in Nigeria is located somewhere here on the map. Cotton. You can use this to represent cotton. And the last one is cocoa. Cocoa produced in Akure in southwestern region of Nigeria. Somewhere here, cocoa. Use this to represent cocoa. Akure, Ondo State. And definitely, every map should have a key. This representing oil palm. And this representing representing cotton. And finally, this representing cocoa. So with this, we've been able to answer question 1. And the last question there says, state 5 importance of agriculture. Agriculture provides food, it provides employment. Agriculture also provides shelter and clothing. And agriculture also serves as a source of income to individuals and government and provision of raw materials for industries. Let's look at transportation. Transportation refers to the movement of people, goods and commodities from one place to another, either by land, by water, or by air. Therefore, there are modes of transportation. We have one, the land transportation, which involves the movement of people, goods, and goods from one place to another by land. And there are forms of land transportation. We have human portage, animal portage, road transport. Human portage has to do with the movement of use of human legs to carry goods from one place to another, whereas animal portage has to do with the use of animals like donkeys and horses to carry goods from one place to another. Road transport is also another form of land transportation. And there are types of roads which exist in Nigeria. We have the Trunk A road, Trunk B road, and Trunk C road. The Trunk A road, these are roads usually constructed and maintained by the federal government, which connects one state to another or with another. And the Trunk B roads are usually constructed and maintained by the state government, and it runs within a state from one local government to another. Whereas the Trunk C road is also called local roads. Most of the time, Trunk C roads are not tarred. They are usually roads constructed and maintained by the local government. Now, there are advantages of road transportation, and these include the fact that it is the most common means of transportation. It provides door-to-door services, that is, By road transportation, you can be carried from your very house to wherever you're going and back to your house. It fits other means of transportation like water, rail, and air transportation. However, there are some disadvantages of road transportation. We have that the roads are very expensive to construct and to maintain. Roads are difficult also to construct, especially in highlands and swampy regions or in heavily forested areas. Now, road transportation is limited, has limited amount of goods and passengers which it can carry. And road transport is more prone to accidents. There are limitations of road transportation, and these include presence of highlands and other rugged areas or relief, presence of swampy areas, soil erosion caused by heavy rainfall, and lack of finance to construct and maintain roads. What can we do to solve all these problems, all these limitations? Roads should be constructed on lowland areas around mountainous regions with gutters and culverts. Now, flyovers also should be constructed in marshy areas, and there should be construction of bridges across rivers also, and funds should be readily available to maintain these routes. Now, let's look at rail transport. Rail transport is about the cheapest and slowest means of transportation on land. The railways lines, or where railway line ends, are usually called railway or railway terminals. This map shows map of Nigeria with the various railway lines we have, which are connecting one state to another, one town to another with